veterinary technician. Let's help and take care of sick animals. Many animals have come to the hospital. Choose an open animal. Oh, are you feeling sick? Scan the ID card. Let's go to the examination room. Oh, I'll help you get better. Apply the ice pack. Let's go to the operation room. Let's start operating. Put on the respirator. Straighten the bones. Put on the bandage. The surgery is complete. Let's rest in the recovery room. Attach the IV packet. Feed the medicine. Begin the physical therapy session. I hope you feel better now. Please sign here.
Thank you so much.